Hello and welcome back to the channel, you guys. Today we have a low impact HIIT workout. It's only 15 minutes. You don't need any equipment but an optional mat because we will hit the ground for part of class. We'll go ahead and get to it. We are starting with our feet hip width apart parallel. I want you to take your right foot. You're going to lunge back into a reverse lunge, and then you're going to draw that right knee in towards your chest. We're staying on that right side for this first set. Lunge back, right knee in. Beautiful work. All right, we're heading into side two. So this time you're going to take that left foot back into your reverse lunge, and then you're going to use your deep core muscles to lift that knee up into the chest, really stabilizing in that front leg and sinking low into that back leg. Here we go. All right, take a breather, you guys. We're heading into some lateral lunges. So you're going to start with that lateral lunge on the right side, and then you're going to tap that right foot in at the top. So really pushing into that glute, hinging forward from the waist, and then squeezing to lift back up at the top. Let's begin. Breathe. Great job, you guys. Second side for those lateral lunges. Left foot is going to come out, sinking low into that left heel, and then squeezing to find our balance back at the top. Really focusing in on that left glute as we drop into that heel. Here we go. All right, breathe, you guys. We're heading into sumo squat. So walk your feet slightly wider than your hips. Turn the toes out slightly. We're going to sink back into those heels and then squeeze as we reach up and overhead. So really push into your heels as you drop into that sumo squat, and then squeeze the glutes as you lift at the top. rest, we're gonna bring those feet a little bit more narrow, toes face forward. Come down into a squat. You're gonna take your right foot out, you're gonna pulse it in, left foot out, pulse it center. So you're just alternating those out and ins, keeping the weight in our heels and maintaining our core. Let's go. All right, take a rest, you guys. We're heading into some caterpillar planks. So you're gonna reach those arms up, roll down through the spine, walk out into a plank, and then you're gonna walk yourself right back up, roll up, and reach up and overhead. This one's gonna take us down to the ground, so let's begin right now. All right, you guys, let your next one bring you all the way down to the ground. We're gonna meet in a tabletop position. Left leg extends back, right arm reaches forward, and then you're gonna draw the knee and the elbow in and then reach back out. So this is working core, upper body, and glute. So full body work here, draw it in, reach it out. All right, take a breather and we switch sides. Right leg is gonna go back this time, left arm reaches long. You draw everything in and then reach everything out, squeezing the glutes, squeezing the core, and working those shoulders. Here we go. And rest. We're heading into wide arm push-ups. So you're gonna take your hands slightly wider than your mat. You can do this on your knees or your toes, but if you start to feel your body waving as you lower and lift, come on down to those knees and engage your core. Those elbows are gonna go nice and wide as we lower down, and then we exhale as we press back up. a breath, you guys. We are moving on. Come onto those knees, face me. Take your right hand to the ground and then extend the left leg long and reach your left arm up and over your head. You're gonna tap that hand as you reach it towards your leg. You're working that entire left side body, the glutes, the thigh, and the oblique. Breathe. We head into side 2. So this time you're going to take the left hand down to the ground. The right leg is long, right arm is long. You tap to lift, we lower down. Finding that hip to rib connection on our right side of our body. Let's begin. All right, you guys, head onto your backs. We're heading into core work. So you're going to take your legs up to a 90-degree bend. You tap the toes down, you lift up, and then you find an upper body curl and lower down. So you can take those hands behind your head for a little extra support, but we tap the toes to find our low core, and then we lift the shoulders to find our upper core. Awesome work, you guys. Take those feet to the ground, wider than your hips and turned out slightly. We're going to find a bridge lift up and then a tap down. So you're just squeezing those glutes to find that little bridge with those hips lifted, focusing in on the back side of the body. Here we go. Take a breather. We have one final set of work. We're going to come into some bicycles. So hands are behind the head, elbows are wide. You're going to twist opposite elbow to opposite knee, keeping those shoulders elevated for this final 45-second push. Here we go, you guys. Go get it. right, take your final rest, you guys. Give yourself a big round of applause. That is all I've got for you today. If you enjoyed this video, let me know in those comments, or if you want to support this channel, I have a couple links located in the description of this video where you can help me keep creating this fun content for each of you, and we'll see you back next time.